भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of BVI CAM, I warmly welcome you all and a special welcome to Dr. Isha, cataract and refractive specialist from Bharti Eye Hospital, who's here to guide us through an important session on eye care along with her team. Our eyes are vital yet often overlooked. And today's session will help us understand how to better care for our vision. Dr. Isha's expertise in ophthalmology will provide valuable insights and practical tips. We are excited to learn from her today. Dr. Isha, thank you for being here with us. Please, the stage is yours.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Can I have the presentation? Sit? Yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, pen. So yeah, good morning, everyone. I'm here to just brief you about the common eye problems and the frequency of eye examination. Generally, in youngsters, the eye health is completely neglected because we are too busy in our skincare routine, our hair care routine. ये सब में हम अपनी आँखों को भूल जाते हैं. We are constantly under digital stress, like use of screens, laptops, computers, etc., etc. So this is the frequency of eye examination starting from children, like birth to 5 years में. That is the growing age. हमारे आँखों के लिए जो development होता है, the stimulus that we require for our eye development, it's the age group of 0 to 5 years. So first eye examination in children is recommended from 6 months to 1 year of age. And the second eye examination between 3 to 5 years of age. Second, that is the teenage group, 6 to 18 years of age. That is the school going age group. वहाँ पे हमारे refractive errors जो है, that is most prevalent. तो वहाँ पे हमको refractive error का evaluation, उनका treatment is necessary. So the age group that is highly vulnerable to that is 6 to 18. Then we come to, 19 to 64 years, that is the adult age group, old age, cataracts, and the allergic eye conditions that are mostly prevalent in this age group. Above 65 years, that is senior age group, वहाँ पे हम annual eye examination recommend करते हैं because of diabetes, hypertension वगैरह जो भी problems that causes damage to the eye. Okay, so why eye health is important? Mainly because that helps to perceive the world. Digital screens that increase the strain on the eye and early detection obviously helps to relieve us. So the common eye problems, that is refractive errors. 3 types of refractive errors, that is hyperopia, myopia and astigmatism. Myopia is distance eye का vision जो हमको blur दिखता है, that is myopia. Hyperopia is after 40 years, that is presbyopic age group, or any astigmatism, that is the uneven curvature of the eye that causes difficulty in vision. Dry eye is mostly because of pollution or the digital strain that leads to dry eyes, or any systemic conditions like Sjogren syndrome also leads to dry eyes. Conjunctivitis, that is allergic or viral or bacterial. कंप्यूटर विजन सिंड्रोम जो कि मोस्टली हम स्कूल गोइंग एज ग्रुप और कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स में देखने को मिलता है बिकॉज ऑफ दी कॉन्स्टेंट लैपटॉप यूज़, मोबाइल यूज़. देन कैटरैक्ट्स एंड ग्लॉकोमा. सो व्हाट इज़ रिफ्रैक्टिव एरर्स? फर्स्ट इज़ मायोपिया, दैट इज़ डिस्टेंस का हमको ब्लर दिखता है, इज़ मायोपिया, दैट इज़ नियर साइटेडनेस, वी कॉल इट इन लैंग्वेज. Hyperopia is far-sightedness, that is difficulty in seeing the closer objects. Astigmatism is due to uneven cornea. These errors can be completely treated by use of glasses, contact lenses, or any refractive surgeries, that is LASIK, silk वगैरह. So dry eyes. What are the causes, symptoms, and prevention? We'll go in line by causes is due to screen use, constant screen use, contact lenses. They also lead to dry eyes because the oxygen supply to the eye, the cornea, gets hampered because of the layer which is above it, ड्यू टू कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज एंड दी एनवायरनमेंट, जो कि कॉन्स्टेंट हमारा ड्राई एनवायरनमेंट रहता है बिकॉज ऑफ दी एसीज, एयर कंडीशनर्स, जो हम मतलब पूरा दिन हम लोग एसीज में रहते हैं, दे ऑल्सो आर अ कॉज ऑफ ड्राई आइज एंड दी पोल्यूशन ऑब्वियसली. सिम्टम्स क्या रहते हैं ड्राई आइज के? सो दी आई स्ट्रेन, फॉरेन बॉडी सेंसेशन, रेडनेस, all these are symptoms of dry eyes and the constant complaint that will be आँखों में थकान लगती है, like कभी भी क्लियर नहीं दिखता है, ब्लिंक करेंगे तो क्लियरली दिखेगा. दैट इज़ द मेन डायग्नोस्टिक फीचर ऑफ ड्राई आई. सो व्हाट इज़ द प्रिवेंशन? वी शुड इंक्रीज अवर ब्लिंक रेट. कॉन्स्टेंटली एक जगह पे देखने से बेटर है कि हम हमारा टीयर फिल्म को स्प्रेड करें आई के ऊपर. सो दैट इज़ ब्लिंकिंग ऑफन. Stay hydrated and use of normal lubricating drops. What is conjunctivitis? That is red eye or pink eye. Causes may be bacterial, viral or allergic. Symptoms are redness, itching, discharge, foreign body sensation. So what is the prevention? Hand hygiene, eye hygiene, and avoid touching to the eyes, or visit an ophthalmologist soon if you have any concern. VKC or vernal keratoconjunctivitis is a common chronic eye allergic condition mostly seen in teenager groups who are staying in a warm environment. Symptoms will be intense itching, redness, discharge, and photophobia. This is the clinical picture of the eye. That is, the upper one is the conjunctiva, where you can see some papillary projections because of the allergy. Normally, the conjunctiva is pink, healthy, and in a even manner, but here you can see the border is very uneven due to the papillary projections. The second one is the nodules which you can see over the cornea. They are also due to the allergic condition. This is very important for you guys. The computer vision syndrome due to the excessive screen time and poor lighting. Andhere mein movies dekhna is also a cause of computer vision syndrome. They can cause eye strain, headache, dry eyes. So you should simply follow a 20-20-20 rule. Like after every 20 minutes, you see 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This is the 20-20-20 rule. And you should adjust your screen brightness or use any UV protection filters, whatever. What are cataracts? What are glaucoma? Cataracts is the clouding of the natural eye, human lens. Okay, you can see the picture below. It is very common in old age group, above 50s usually. And glaucoma, what is glaucoma? It is a constriction of the peripheral vision. Due to the raised eye pressures, they cause damage to the optic nerve, and you can see the constriction in the peripheral vision. So periphery mein patient usually cannot see, and central vision remains intact, which gradually leads to permanent blindness if not treated. So regular eye checkup helps in early detection and management. Another is systemic diseases that reflect in eye is diabetic retinopathy and hypertensive retinopathy. So what is diabetic retinopathy? Due to diabetes, there is a damage to the retinal blood vessels which can lead to blindness if left untreated. So on the right, you can see a normal retinal image, which is very healthy. The blood vessels are normal. The disc is completely fine. But on the left side, you see there are gross hemorrhages, the whitish cotton wool spots, and all. These are the diabetic retinopathy images, which leads to bleeding in the retina that causes damage to the vision and a cause of legal blindness also. The below image is the hypertensive retinopathy image that leads to constriction of the blood vessels in the retina, due to which there are ischemic changes in the retina, which causes permanent visual damage. So both the treatment for both the diseases is you should control your diabetes or hypertension, take regular examination of regular annual eye checkups, so that we can treat them in timely manner. So what are the symptoms you can watch for? If you have persistent blurry vision, visit an ophthalmologist. You have frequent headaches, or you have a red and itchy eye, intolerance to light or photophobia, what we call it, or sudden visual changes, like suddenly you see blurry or suddenly you have a dimness of vision, you can consult an ophthalmologist or the same. So what are the eye care tips? We should take a good healthy diet, which is rich in vitamin A and C, reduce the screen light and use blue light filters, Wear screen glasses or UV protection glasses. Avoid touching your eyes or rubbing them in vigorous manner. So this is the 20-20-20 rule which I mentioned earlier. Adjust the contrast or brightness and use lubricating drops for dry eyes. If you have any symptom for the eye strain or redness or itching due to dry eyes. So these are some of the myths and facts which I usually see among the teenagers sitting close to the TV. Damages the eye. Doesn't permanently damage the eye, but it can cause an eye strain which can lead to disturbance in the vision. Carrots cures the vision problems. They just help to fixate the refractive error or help in the development of the eye. It doesn't cure each and every problem. When to see an eye doctor? If your visual problems still persist, even after that, you can visit an ophthalmologist. If you have any frequent headache or discomfort which doesn't relieve by medications, or sudden loss of floaters. Floaters are the blackish web-like structures you see in front of your eye which move with your vision. They are known as floaters. And I recommend an annual examination of eye for early detection in each and every age group after 16 years of age. So any questions you have? Okay.
So he gave me an eye drop, but since I was listening to your presentation, the problem is coming up. So what could be done in this?
Yeah,
regard?
so the eye twitching are also known as myokemia. It is mostly due to the stress in our lifestyle changes and all that leads to twitching. It is because of the magnesium deficiency in the body. So what you can do is you can take some yoga, meditation, or eat diet which is rich in magnesium. That will help to relieve your myokemia. It is it's a good. You can you can dip your feet in magnesium powder for some time. That will help to relieve the twitching.
These eye drops will not work.
Eye drops will just lubricate your eyes. They won't cure the root cause of the problem. That is your stress, because
It often happens. I mean, in a day or two, I notice this twitching.
Yeah.
So that is a point of concern to me, that why is this happening?
Yeah,
And it has started since 3 months.
The drops will aid you in the management, but the root cause, that is the stress, you have to manage it in a way that can calm your stress by medication or by yoga.
Hello, ma'am. Since I have got my laser done for the eyes, if the power raises after that also, then what is the procedure?
Yeah, the laser, that is the LASIK, it usually corrects your distant visual acuity, okay, for like minus number correction. But after 40s, you have a eye power which is plus, that is presbyopic age group. So after 40, anyways, you are going to have a difficulty in near vision. So the laser vision, like the laser correction, is persistently for distant visual acuity also. So after 40, there are chances that you might develop plus power refractive error.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Dr. Isha, that was truly an enlightening session. Thank you for being with us, and we truly appreciate your time and knowledge. Now I request Professor M.N. Hoda sir, Director BVI CAM, to come on the stage and present a token of gratitude to Dr. Isha.